dog.
We are starting.
Hamburger.
Oh crap, he has a gun. Oh crap. Wait, I want to show the guys the video of this. Gun in a briefcase. I can't even see Alex.
How did you hit me? How did you hit me still?
I'm just good. Also, it's raining, so it's like real COD. Missed. Missed. Miss. I think you're out. Ugh. Dog. I walked into dog poop. Oh shit. All right, and I walked in the other shoe too. Okay. All right. Dude, we're rolling.
I was gonna say, if I get hit playing Russian roulette, that you end the video right here, right now.
Okay. Oh, look at that. We gotta keep going. Oh, my phone's making my head wobble. Stop acting weird, dude. All right. Dude, get to the other side. Come on. We're starting at 3, 2, 1, go. Half my vision is obscured. Also, guys, make sure to please like and subscribe so I can shoot Alex more times, if you like that. If you don't like me shooting Alex, why do you come here? Trying to shoot his toes. I'm centering the camera. Wait, guys, watch this. Aiming mode. Shit! You just can't hit me. Oh, well, you hit me.
There's absolutely no ammo in that spot. You hit my funny bone. This gun is trash.
It whizzed by. Ow! My shoulder! Get it! Sniping mode, activate. I just turned the damn magazine to one side. I cannot see anything and my head hurts, but okay.
What would you like to up?
Your life.
What, chicken?
Oh, hell yes. Chicken, come here. Come here, chicken.
Oh, crap.
Chicken content. You're so. Oh my! He hit my balls. He hit my groin, bro. Bro, that's gonna be called sexually explicit content. It did a spiral. That's crazy. Trick shot. Okay. Now you have to be faulty. Ow! Don't have any spare mags.
Too bad, so sad. It did a spiral again.
Didn't even hit me that time. That's crazy. Reloading.
I don't care. Why is this gun so crappy?
Why is this bullet so crappy? Alright, I'm switching my loadout. Alex, you're a dummy.
What?
You're dumb. Oh, my neck! You hit me right in my neck, bro. Bro, when we play airsoft, that's gonna hurt. Neck shots and groin shots are gonna be like, oh shit. Alright, so what are you trying for? Ah, the phone's getting my damn face. Alright, I got eyes.
I'm just a tiny child. You can't hurt me. You can
Oh,
bullet
dude,
landed over
Dude
there.
Perfect has nothing on this. Yeah, we don't ask about that. Can they see it? I'm not sure. I'll get a close up.
Dude Perfect would be crying.
Honestly, look at that on the side. See the bullet that's freaking inside the dang leaf, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, I think we're done with nerfing for today. Yo, do karaoke?
Sure.
Don't think I can do that, but all right. See you later, YouTube.
YouTube!
America.